I talk too much. Now, I'm quite bright, so it's interesting, but nevertheless, I talk too much. Oh, shoot. Dang it, you see, I'm already saying much more than I should say. And men hate it for a woman to blurt out, I'm bright. They think what she's really saying is, I'm brighter than you are. And as a matter of fact, that is what I'm saying. I mean, I'm more brighter than the brightest men that I know. And that is why it's a mistake to talk too much. Men. They fall behind and feel challenged and grow hostile. And so whenever I'm very attracted to a man, I make it a point to talk very slowly than I would with one of my woman friends. And because I guide him from inside, he ends up being terribly impressed with his own brilliance and mine for being able to keep up with him. Then he'll go on to tell me that I'm one of the first women he's ever found interesting, like one of his boyfriends. And that's, well, that's love.